You know what's wild? Most people don't hate their tasks, they just hate the chaos around them. Today, we're discussing 3 points that will help you finally own your day. Point number one, decide your blocks, not your tasks. Instead of asking, what should I do? Switch to, which block am I in right now? When your brain knows the container, the content becomes easier. It's like putting your day into neat little lunchboxes. Point number two, protect your focus like it's treasure. A time block is only useful if you treat it like it matters. That means no random scrolling, no tiny distractions pretending to be urgent, and definitely no, I'll just check one thing. Block time is sacred time. Point number three, switch blocks, not moods. When the timer ends, don't wait for motivation to magically appear. Just move to the next block. Your day becomes a sequence, not a guessing game. That smooth transition is where consistency hides. Time blocking isn't about being rigid. It's actually the opposite. It gives you a flexible structure so your brain chills out and your tasks stop screaming for attention. Try it for one day. Watch how calm and powerful you feel when your day finally has lanes. And if you want more clarity, one idea at a time, subscribe.